The foundation of the monument required the labor of thousands, digging deep into the banks of the sacred Yamuna. Along the banks of the Yamuna, thousands labored for decades, laying the deep foundations of what would become a timeless wonder.
Heave! Ho! Pull together now! Heave! Ho! Push harder! Move the rollers now! Keep the tension on the ropes! Heave! Pull on the main line!
Steady, steady! Lower it down!
Heave! Pull together now!
Watch the line, keep it steady!
Easy, easy, she's almost home.